So, the pandemic got me kind of lonely. And as things are starting to open up right now, I'm starting to open up as well, as in opening up the can of worms that is Tinder. And as you can see, I don't really take life too seriously. So I'm definitely not taking it too serious on there. And sometimes it works. And sometimes it doesn't work a lot. And sometimes it's so quiet in here that I can hear my phone charging. But sometimes Tinder lives up to its name and there's a little fire in there. And I feel the need to share it with the world. We're going through some rough stuff. So welcome to Thrifting with Tinder Dates. Now the title implies a date, meaning two people, and one, where's the other person? Quick story time. We're in Hawaii now. I'm taking my annual trip back home as I live in New York now. And as a child that's been away from his immigrant mother for way too long, I am perpetually full. And what's the best thing to do when battling a food coma? Convincing other people that you have your shit together. Exactly. So I'm talking to this girl who's 4,000 miles away because I'm in Hawaii. And I'm thinking, Hawaii, New York, what is that? That's probably like 4,000 miles, right? Wrong. Hawaii to New York is actually 5,000 miles. So where is this missing 1,000 miles that I'm falling short, huh? From Hawaii, it could be something like Houston's 4,000 miles away from where I live. There was like St. Louis, also 4,000 miles away, Minneapolis. So there's some options, I'll give you some time to pick which one you think of the three it is. I'll give you 2 seconds. Actually, no, you're wrong. It's none of them. It's actually secret mediocre option D, Omaha, Nebraska. Just freaking Peyton Manning calling audibles out here, dog. So, yeah, I know what you're thinking. How the hell am I going to bring a girl 1,000 miles away to my favorite thrift stores in Brooklyn? So I went to Omaha, and I don't know why I did this. And to this day, I wonder how Darwinism hasn't caught up to me based on my decision making. And now I know what you're thinking. What if you're getting catfished? Don't worry, we have technology to prevent that now. Hey.
Hey. How's it going?
How's it going?
Pretty good. Just having a chill day. How about you?
By New York State law, I have to tell you that I'm recording you. What you got in mind?
You ever heard of the Goodwill?
Dude, I think they have one here. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't it kind of weird that you're flying out to see a girl you've never met before? Well, what you should be asking is, isn't it weird that this girl is gonna go to the airport and pick up a guy that she's never met before? I know, we've never met. So, what's your, I guess, biggest fear of, just meeting someone for the first time on the internet?
I don't really think I'm afraid of anything. Oh, I have a pet peeve, though. I really don't like when people smell bad.
Oh,
and it's just because I have a hyperactive nose.
No, yeah, that's weird too, because you just gotta deal with them. Bad BO or bad cologne?
Mostly the BO, or just bad in general.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I have this thing, I'm actually packing right now. I have this thing called Scentbird. I just have a bunch of different scents.
What's Scentbird?
Scentbird is a monthly subscription service where you can sample hundreds of designer fragrances without having to commit to a full-priced bottle. Nobody wants to spend that much money, commit to one thing for so long. Why the hell do you think I'm on Tinder? When you get your order, it'll come in this cool travel-sized vial that's good for 120 sprays. Now let's just do some quick math here. 120 sprays, you spray maybe twice a day. That's 120 divided by 2. That's 60 days per vial. And I've been cycling through these 4 because you can get multiple at once, which is kind of the beauty of it. There's options. It's just like dating. This one's Aqua de Parma Colonia Futura. I promise that's not a font. Use it for moments when the sun looks like this, you're out for a good meal, and you want to manifest a positive outlook on life. This next one's John Varvatos Artisan Blue, and it's mature and sharp. Use it for when you want to flex your metaphorical gray hairs that you don't have and pretend you have any business being worried about Biden's tax plan. Third, we got English Laundry's Throne. I use this to pretend I sip on smoked old fashions, when in reality, I'm running through seltzers like a 7-Eleven on University Avenue. Lastly, we got my most used one, Commodities Wool, which I actually wore on this date. Did it work? I don't know. You're gonna have to find out. But it's very comfy, warm, and sweet, just like me. But you too can go figure that out. Go use code FRUGAL2 on the checkout. You'll get 30% off your first fragrance, making it $11. And I don't know about you, but that's a pretty sweet deal for a good first impression. So go to Scentbird.com now. Everything's in the description. Just go take care of yourself, doc. Well, that was fun. Well, I gotta pack now because my flight's tomorrow. And
Okay.
I'll see you at the airport. So I found her. I was at the airport for an hour. and so today we're gonna go find some clothes.
We're at the Goodwill in Papillion.
Where's that?
In Nebraska.
We're here to look for clothes, but we're trying to find love. Got him there. So I was thinking that instead of like bringing a camera out and holding it like a maniac, you know, instead I got some body armor and I'm gonna do a first person call. You know what? This is gonna be in a Call of Duty style POV of going thrifting. Also, if you're an incel, you're in luck. First person POV of a date.
Wow.
You know, and then it's also so that if this does not end well, I can watch the footage later and be like, all right, where did I fuck?
That's probably what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Okay, so let's
do it. Let's get some fire fit.
Let's just attach this. All right, guys. All right, I gotta move this.
Roll out.
All right, so you've been here your whole life?
Are you gonna ask me questions?
No, maybe as a joke. I really hope they don't stop me because this looks so.
All right, I'll go in before you.
Where should we go first? Let's go to some old t-shirts, you know, we'll start off with some basic. Yo, look, you can see yourself in here.
Whoa, this is a lot. Do high prices make you angry? You're so aesthetic.
Yeah, I'm pissed.
Well, that shirt kind of goes crazy. I kind of want that.
Straight.
Technically, they're not wrong.
Oh, dude, this is like official Halo merch.
Is it?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's the Xbox 360 tag? That's from 2009.
2009, that's like the year I was born.
Mentally. Ooh, some dad. Whoa, this is like
some dad
crazy.
core.
This is like crazy Kramer energy.
Kramer.
No, this is Kramer.
Kramer core.
Dude, look, imagine.
That looks good on you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I would never wear it. Wear it.
Oh, that's what I look like?
Oh, I kind of look like.
This is what I look like holding up my. Yeah.
With this over.
No, you should wear it underneath. Just get it spicy, start to undress, and the first thing you see is. All right, guys.
Did you even try it on?
I don't think I need to try it on. I feel like.
No, they got the Patreon.
Yeah, they got the. You know what it stands for? Nebraska's really awesome. It's a very eclectic combination of clothes today.
It really is. Ooh.
Ooh, hey, get back here.
I'm kind of cute in this.
I look kind of cute in this Nebraska's really awesome hat. All right. I do have the keys. The keys to success. Ah! Whenever I record bits or stuff when I'm with like another girl, the comments are always, Christian, why aren't you driving? All right, so where are we going now?
We're gonna go.
So, what better place to thrift than Thrift World? Thank you. POV or thrifting? POV are on a cute date.
Why are you standing up on her tape?
I said she's cute, not safe. Oh my God. Frog. Are those scrubs?
Yeah, they are.
Hello Kitty? Imagine you pull up to the ICU, right? You're about to die. Nurse pulls up in this, like,
And you're dying.
small waist, pretty face, and a big bank, you know? Look at this.
Heavy duty. What does it mean?
It's like when you gotta take a shit real bad. Christian hitting on girls. Dude, there's like 3 different
That's insane. Just pick one.
It's like American Psycho, like bloodstains are red, ultraviolet lights are blue, and then it goes, I watch enough murder shows.
And then it's like the Starbucks cups.
Wait, what does that imply? Yeah. Oh, that was the Kanye. What up, cowgirl?
So when you put the hat like this?
It's a river. All right, it seems like we're going crazy. Oh shit.
You close in 10 minutes, right?
We're gonna speed run it.
You just want to peek.
Sorry, yeah, thank you. Maybe some vintage military. Oh, this is a good place to go.
I know, we should have been here first.
$20,
Whoa.
right? They got some flying erasers, dog. You remember when these were crazy? But these used to go for like crazy resale, and now they're in the Imaginarium, yeah. You know why it's called Bomb Bag?
Why?
Because I went to the Imaginarium and I'm gonna bring something bomb back home. Oh my God.
Oh, there's no sleeves. Can we get the Hot Wheels in this one?
Oh, that's kind of cool. If it had sleeves, it would be
Would be what?
top. You know what I mean?
Stop it. Green side.
Yeah. Ready to go. I'll be coming back during like actual hours because there's a lot of stuff to look at. It's my first time here. Oh no, I didn't want to be rude. I was like walking around like, oh, I don't want to be that guy.
You liked it.
No, 100%. I'm telling you, the only reason they let us in is because I had the Nebraska's really awesome hat. No, but when we walked in, he looked at me, looked up at my hat. It does. You wanna?
It's like perfect.
Hold up. Nah, this is thrifting with Tinder dates. What did y'all think this was, huh? You think I was just gonna let you see that? You think I was just gonna let that in a video about thrifting? You guys missed it. I just got punched in the face. Whew, that was a close call there, guys. Almost had a moment. But it's a good thing that I was able to focus and get back to the objective. Anyway, so we got our stuff, and then we decided to go to an impromptu photo shoot to really drive home the message that we got nothing done. Right here, we see my fit with my Nebraska's really awesome hat paired with these pink glasses that I got at a novelty store that we didn't film, but it's technically a part of the date, and everything tied together with that $20 military shirt that I got at that antique store. And for Riv's fit, we reluctantly decided not to put the Angry Birds shirt under the dress. I know, disappointment, I know. Things happen, dog. Not every date's gonna be perfect. But we paired it with this pink faux suede jacket that we also got at the thrift store. And with the pink, I was like, it, dog, we're gonna triple down on it. I gave her the pink glasses. Pepto-Bismol vibes are immaculate. But bang, bang, I feel like it was a success. We found some funny stuff. We got some photos. Bam, look at that. Look how romantic. This is us saying, you to actually finding real clothes at the thrift store. So that was my first time doing anything like that, from putting a literal body cam on to go thrifting. Not even to mention I'm doing it on a date with the girl that I met for the first time. I better be getting credit for the ambition alone to do that. You also kind of compromise it because you're kind of half trying to find cool clothes to thrift in, and you're also kind of on a date still. So I'm definitely gonna do it again. But what a way to start the potential series, you know? So go ahead and comment who you want me to do it with. Don't say Pokimane. I swear to God, now everyone's gonna comment Pokemon. But yeah, I don't care. Thank you, Scentbird, for sponsoring today's video. They're great. I wore this one the whole day, the whole trip, actually. I pretty much just used that one the whole time, and it definitely worked out. So go check out Scentbird. Everything's in the description. Also, follow me on Instagram at ChristianVY, and follow me on Twitter at JK_Weiling. I feel like Twitter's underrated. And you join my Discord server. What are you doing? Get in my Discord server right now. It's going crazy. I think that's all I have to say. I don't think she's ever gonna want to go on another date with me, but hey man, it is what it is.